Hey, what's up? It's your girl Naya, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I'm trying to do these. And these are my first time ever doing these, and that's why I went ahead and started. Then, as I found my rhythm and got established, that's when I decided to show y'all. So I got this much left, and my parts are not that good. I'm not good at parting hair, so but I feel like they lay all right. They lay good. So yeah, so I'm gonna start to show you how I do these. And again, this is my first time, so I'm not perfect. It's not perfect. It is a little stiff, as you can see. They're like, I miss some spots right here, but let me show y'all. Okay, since I got me a part, I'm gonna just take this hair I had, some old hair that I knew I wasn't going to use again, because this hair is terrible for passion twist. I don't even know the brand, but I feel like you can use any kind of hair. It's just like your base, so nobody's going to see it. As you can see, it has color in it, but you're just going to do it, put this in your hair, like braid it in like a box braid. Well, you don't have to, because I'm not doing two loops like I would a box braid. I just have my hands set up like I'm doing a box braid. I hope you can see. And I just braid down a little bit. Okay. Yeah, I braid down to about right there. And I get my hair. And this hair is called Cuban twist hair, but you can use like any hair that looks like this, I guess. And it came like this. And I just stretch out the ends a little bit because I don't like that big knot that was right there at the ends. As you can see, it's a little, I don't like that, so I just spread these apart. So I do about this much. Put it around the hair like that and just start wrapping. And I just go around the root a couple of times, then I start going down. I like to make sure the root is covered. That's why I go over it a couple of times. Then when I feel like I got to my length, I start twisting back up. Or when it gets smaller, because I don't want to have to wrap back up a lot of hair, because it'll make it bulky at the end. Like some of them I had too, but I don't like that. So I wrap up as much as I can and do this. And you see that little end? All we're gonna do is just cut that off. And that's it. And I know that's not perfect. Where is it? I didn't wrap it tight right there, but it's okay. Okay, I'm finally on my last two plaits. Thank you. And I know my parts are not the greatest. And this one is so short, I don't know what happened, but let me just not even talk long because I'm trying to go ahead and get done. So let's get right into it. So I already did the braid. How I wrap again. And again, you don't have to braid all the way down. Look how far I braided because I got tired. I braided it far up there. I know I kind of missed it right here, but it's fine. Okay, last plait. So happy. I'm finally done. And that's how I achieve this look. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.